Make yourself a group admin. Hello everyone, today we will learn how to hack WhatsApp group and become admin. This trick's based on some binary numbers. By using this trick you can spoof your mobile number with WhatsApp group admin's number. If you are familiar with binary numbers then you will find this trick very easy. You can also read about binary on Wikipedia. Please keep in mind this trick only for educational purpose. Hack WhatsApp group and become admin. Note down the binary conversation number. Steps to follow. 1. Copy admin's mobile number and convert with binary numbers. 2. Now create a message with binary conversation. CNG equals true question mark equals admin's number in binary. Your number, amp, findcheck.mnc.i.d. equals 802 sane 5% set. Content question mark / RFD equals GV. 3. Now send the message in group and uninstall WhatsApp. 4. Now again reinstall it. 5. Bingo! You are admin of that group now. Enjoy!